So this is another question, and this question came in 2021. You are asked to express the decimal as a fraction. It's not just a decimal. This kind of decimal is called recurring decimal, okay? And these recurring decimal are very important because like when some decimal keep on repeating after, they don't terminate, okay? So this decimal is 2.125. 25 is the one which is repeating, so after 25 there will be another 25 and it recurs, it goes forever. So how do we actually take this and then we put it as a fraction? You know that in most cases when we are converting fraction into decimal, we just look at the number of the decimal places and then we say it is over 10 times or 10, and then based on the number of the decimal places you add 0. If it is 5, and then it will be that all over 1 with 5 zeros, which is something to do with 100 over 100,000. But this is not the case because this is infinite. It goes to infinity. Recurrent decimal, it does not terminate, it does not stop. So we come up with different idea on how to solve it. So first of all, the first thing that you need to do is to take the whole fraction and then you assign it with a known, which is called x, okay? So we call it equation 1. But we have to identify the part which is repeating because that is the part that we need to eliminate. 25 is the one which is repeating here, so we need to try to isolate it. We need to bring 1 to this side so that we only remain with the part that is repeating. So we will multiply the whole of this divided by 10 so that we move 1 decimal place toward the right by 1. So we multiply the whole equation by 10. So this one will be 10x is equal to 21.25. Now we are left with 25 on this side. Now if we look at this equation and this equation, they are not the same. There is 2.125 here. We cannot subtract them. If we subtract them, there will still be something remaining on the right on the right hand side of the decimal place. So we don't need that. We need to remove the whole recurring part. So now we are not yet done. We need to multiply this one again by something. But since it is the two numbers repeating, we will multiply it by 100. So we multiply it by 100. So we move decimal place to decimal point 2 places to the right. So if we do that, we will arrive here to the right, but there will still be another 2.25 repeating. So 25 recurring. So we'll have 2125.25 recurring. But we also multiply this one by 100 to get 1,000. Now we need to subtract two decimals. Since we now know we have 25 to the right of the decimal point, we also have 25 to the right of decimal point. We now know anything after the decimal point will be eliminated. So we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So this is what we are doing here. We do the subtractions here. We know that 25 and 25 recurring will give us 0, and then we have 21 and 25 minus 21. 21, 25 minus 2,125 minus 21 will get this 2,104. And then we subtract 1,000 over 10, then we'll get 990. Then we divide both sides by 990, both sides by 990, so we'll be left with this. This is what is going to remain. You can decide to actually make it a mixed fraction, but it's not important, so you can leave it in this format if you want. This is something that you can try, another question that you can try, but it's not part of that. So this is all about this question. Thank you.